joining me live on the broadcast is Rajlakshmi Joshi, who's a political expert. Appreciate you joining me, ma'am. And as you can see, even in the visuals and on your screens, in fact, one must also note the bonhomie of the Thackeray cousins. What has been addressed from the state by MNS chief is a statement also citing that both the cousins have come together due to the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. He also added that that they could not in fact come together even during Balasaheb Thackre's effort, but Devendra Fadnavis has been able to do so. How do you react to this statement?
This is a very interesting statement by Mr. Raj Thackray, where he says that Devendra Fadnavis ji has achieved what even Balasaheb Thackray could not do, that is bring both the brothers, the cousins together. So this is something very interesting, and I would say that this is probably a political compulsion, and maybe yes, they must have come together on the same page where it comes to the issue of language. But then again, what I feel is that this issue has been made, I mean, a non-issue has been made into a big issue. It has been hyped, and you know, these things are bound to happen, because then these elections are actually around the corner. So the municipal elections in Mumbai as well as in Thane, they are around the corner. So then that is why such things are bound to happen. You know, there are bound to be certain agendas taken up, and certain emotions will be tried to be stoked up. All these things are bound to happen. So this interesting thing is that both the Thackerays coming together, both the factions coming together. While I'm not very sure how well both the factions will gel, because then now, you know, along all these years, actually there have been very deep fissures between both the parties, and where they have been very you know, they have been very bitter against each other. So now it is going to be a little difficult for both the parties, they being cadre-based parties, both of them coming together is going to be difficult actually on the ground, even though some of them, you know, at least in terms of optics or in terms of visuals, on screen, on stage, on television, they may be coming and making joint statements. But then on the ground, when it comes to actually sharing the same sentiment with the other workers, that is going to be a little difficult.
Ms. Rajlakshmi Joshi, thank you very much for in fact bringing more context to your statement. And viewers, at this point of time, this remains to be seen how this political realignment would be shaping from Maharashtra.